Breaking news bafethu, uPhili ulimele akatravelanga neKaizer Chiefs. That is why earlier on bengireporta ngithi uAbrahams nangu use-KZN bazodlala laphana neRichards Bay. uPhili siyazi ukuthi une-confidence, ubuya egamini eMamelodi Sundowns. It was not a spectacular performance, but imane nje yokushaya igoli lakhe lokuqala, but-ke naye ulimele-ke manje ujoyina i-long list of ama-players we-Kaizer Chiefs alimele this current campaign. Abanye khona bazodlala bangekho fully fit, because i-Kaizer Chiefs iyawadinga ama-first team players noma ama-senior players azokwazi ukhompyutha. Siyazi ukuthi ngeke kube lula uma bedlala ne-Richards Bay. I-Richards Bay medlala nama-team amakhulu bafethu iyamisela, imake sure ukuthi ithola iyalishaya igoli or iyawashaya amagoli. Siyayazi ukuthi i-exciting kangakanani i-Richards Bay, and-ke abaluzanga ama-player amaningi, to be honest. Bengicabanga ukuthi bazoluza ama-player amaningi le-transfer market esibuya kuyo, but abawaluzanga ama-player. I-Kaizer Chiefs izomkhumbula uPhili kule match lena noma izomdinga. I'm seeing something. uPule Modi une-chance enkulu ukuthi adlale. Ngimbonile uPule Modi utravelile nesquad, bekakhona lapha ne-airport ashaya ikepisi lakhe. So uPule Modi huye umdlali engimbona aqala igame yanamhlanje. Sazi ukuthi uzoyinikana i-Kaizer Chiefs uPule Modi. I think uAbrahams if bayamnika opportunity maybe angangena boma second half, but umdu Shabalala naye ukhona bafethu. Uvilakazi-ke naye uthi excited ukuyodlala ne-Richards Bay, uthi ba-ready ba-prepare kahle laphana, bayi-analyzile i-team i-Richards Bay, bayazi ukuthi i-team e-good, but-ke bona bafuna uku-collect ama-point. Yabona i-media ye-Kaizer Chiefs ihlezi ikhipha ama-interviews walama-player lawa. Ezinye izinto mangiyifunda laphana ku-media ye-Kaizer Chiefs, ngiyasho ukuthi yabo le ayishiyongo i-player-ke, ibhalwe i-admin ye-team, just nje ukuthi abantu babe na-something abazokhuluma ngayo. Khona izinto engiyibonayo kwamanye ama-interviews ngisho ukuthi hayi usibani ngeke ayisho into kanje. Ngiyamazi meyikhuluma ukuthi ukhuluma kanjani, to be honest, but-ke ezinye izinto mezibhalwa laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, but asimuveni kulezo zinto lezo bafethu. So it's an exciting game, it's a big game for i-Kaizer Chiefs. It's a must-win game in a way, because sibonile ukuthi ba-draw ne-Sundowns. Defense yakhona ilahlile nje laphana ekugcineni, iNasho Miguel no-goalkeeper abacommunicate-anga kahle ukuthi bakwazi ukudila nalela bhola lela. But umbuzo omkhulu bafethu uthi uyaqala uPeterson namhlanje na, because uPeterson good goalkeeper, confidence yakhe uKaizer Chiefs at the peak, but since iqalile isizini ubakhoste amagoli ayi-2, uyi-leader, uyi-captain. Ukudropha if baba-drop uPeterson, singabona i-change laphana ethimini, ukuthi maybe bazonika ukwinika ibhande or iNasho Miguel, sobona ukuthi maybe banganika bani. But-ke is Kaizer Chiefs ready to introduce uLina na, because abo-goalkeeper, to be fair, kumele babanike ama-opportunities afanayo. Mamelodi Sundowns bamdropile ubani uRonwen Williams naye, ngoba uconcede almost every game ayidlalile uRonza, cabanga. So it was a great time, noma ngithi it was a good time ukuthi ba-introduce omunye ugoalkeeper. Unfortunately naye uGoals wafika waconcede. So ama-senior goalkeepers lawa trusted, I give them the benefit of the doubt, but if they keep conceding almost every game, thola ukuthi labantu bazoconsider, and futhi manje uconsider amagoli a-questionable, mthatha umbeke ebhentshini, udlalisa abanye abafowethu aba-ready nabo aba-hungry abafuna ukuwuprova. Mina ngiyohlezi ngisho bafethu, uRonaldo Lina is way better than uPeterson. If akathuki, ngoba ukuthuka vele ama-mistake, like ama-reflexes wakhe good. I've watched uRonaldo Lina bafethu even ejima, ngiyamazi lamjida loyo, ugood ngokuba ugoalkeeper, better than Peterson. Kaizer Chiefs ready na ukusacrifice i-captain, asazi. Okwamanje ngicela ukuzibamba lana bafethu, ngithi danko.